Good afternoon, guys. It is currently Saturday, December 27th, just 2 days after Christmas, and I am officially in a funk. I don't know if you want to call it a funk or a rut, but I just get like this after every Christmas, especially after my grandparents passed away. It feels happy and exciting, but then when it's over, you're like, okay, now what? My mom makes it very happy and very special and very exciting for us, but you could tell there's a, I guess, lower energy. Like, day of Christmas Eve, we were like so excited, so happy to like just be there for each other, to eat together, to be able to like buy each other all these great gifts and open together. I'm very thankful with how Christmas went, but in the same breath, I am just ready for the new year to be here. My birthday is in February and I'm always excited to celebrate my birthday. I have a really exciting event coming up in January, so I do have nice things to look forward to, but the seasonal depression is hitting hard already. Up to Christmas, I'm fine, I'm excited, I'm busy planning everything and the holidays coming up. It's so fun, and after Christmas is over, I'm always like this the week until New Year's, where then New Year's is exciting, and then I'm like, okay, now what? So in today's video, I'm going to try to get out of this funk or rut or whatever you want to call it, at least for the day. I guess we'll just see where the day takes me. Now, as you can see, this is very embarrassing for me to show, but at the same time, I just want to show. See, I'm kicking a cat's toy. That's how messy my apartment is right now. But I'm just trying to show you guys how it's okay to sometimes have a messy home. It doesn't have to be perfect all the time. And honestly, this is so easy to clean. I just have to do it. Like, that truly is it. Like, I just have to do it. And I feel like when I'm in a rut like this, I don't necessarily want to just get up and do it, but I'm going to do that because I know it's going to make me feel better. So cleaning is going to be the #1 thing that I'm going to do on my get out of a rut / funk list. I'm going to put my laundry on the couch because I'm going to fold that after I clean up over here. This hoodie has to go in my closet. These socks I am gifting to someone, and this goes to a karaoke machine that I got for Christmas. My purse I typically always just have on the kitchen table. I really don't have a place for it, so I'm gonna leave it here. Really pretty candle I'm gonna put on my coffee table. As you can see, over here is also a mess. I still have some presents on the ground because I haven't exchanged with my friends or my Secret Santa yet. Also, I'm going to put these sunglasses back into my closet. And then I'm gonna start kind of cleaning up some of the Christmas stuff today. I know I'm not gonna get to it all, but I also am off tomorrow. I could make this vlog today and tomorrow just to get through everything. I like to put the cooking stuff in here. I know it looks a mess, so please don't look in there. I'll organize that another day. Yeah, you can see my dishes from this angle. I have to do the dishes. I have to throw this away. And these are my makeup brushes that I have to clean. These are my personal ones that I have to clean, and then I'm gonna wipe the counter down. As you guys can see, we have garbage that we have to throw out. One's recycling, I think, and 2 are garbage, or maybe 2 recycling, something like that. But for now, I have to do laundry, and then we're gonna take the garbage out real quick. I've been so busy, it's been so hard to do laundry. I got these new Rothy's shoes. They're like little slippers. So cute and so comfy, and they have really good support. Got these for Christmas. I love them. I do wish they had a little bit of more of a platform though, because these pants are, all pants I own are pretty much too long for me because I'm 5'1". So also, if you guys ever watch my videos and you see this blue tape, it's here because my one cat just loves to claw at anything that has like lattice. So we basically had to tape it because, I mean, at some point we're just gonna have to rip it out. But I like how the lattice looks. That one is bottles, so we have to bring that down later. Max looking at me like, where did you go? I know, I left for a minute, I'm sorry. Also, this is how you know I probably have ADHD, because I just said I was going to clean the living room first and, you know, do that before I do anything else. And now I've cleaned 2 little pieces up in the living room. I have done the laundry and taken the garbage out. And now I'm about to empty the dishwasher. As long as it gets done, I mean, it all ends up getting done. That's the most important thing. This is my new curling iron that my mom got for me for Christmas. I've been needing it so badly. These are 2 bras that my mom got for me from Amazon that are way too small. I got a large and they fit like a small. Welcome to my closet of wonders. It's pretty messy. I'm not sure where to put these cards. This skylight calendar is actually one of my favorite gifts that I got this year from my family. I don't know how to put together. We were going to do it today, but we're going to have to do it either tonight or tomorrow. It's pretty self-explanatory. We just don't know exactly where we're going to put it yet. Also, if you see this cardboard and blue tape in a couple of places, it's because we didn't want Mac, when he was a baby, to get behind there and get stuck. I mean, Mac can honestly probably still squeeze through the top one. So until he gets a little bit bigger, we're probably going to keep it like that, just in case. But in the midst of all that I'm going to be doing today to get myself out of a rut, I have to remember to keep myself hydrated. He's crying because he wants lunch. Hey, Dad, what? This is some of my fiance's stuff, so I'm going to put this in our bedroom. I know it's not fully cleaned off, but I'm going to put the placemats down. I honestly want to keep these placemats up like this, like on the table, for a long time, because they're just, yeah, they're kind of like, I guess, holiday-esque, because they're like white with the silver sparkles, but just goes with everything. I'm going to put this diffuser together, remove the bottle stopper, and place the reeds in the bottle. That's literally it. Also, this is cruelty-free. Wow, so this is supposed to last 90 days, and it says to intensify the fragrance, occasionally flip the reeds over. Cool. My client got me this DIY book nook kit. I think it's so cute. I looked it up and how it's supposed to look. Like, how sweet is this? I'm supposed to put this together. It's supposed to look like something like that. Like, how cute is this? How adorable, and I can put it on my bookshelf. People are so thoughtful. Like, how thoughtful was this? I just love it so much. And I'm gonna have to go to the mall soon because my client gave me this Bloomingdale's gift card. And honestly, I've been eyeing the YSL setting powder. Probably more so the translucent one than the pink one. I don't know if pink powders are going well with my skin these days. I think I have to have a nice tan and then the pink powder will go with my skin. But I bought this unbrush for my uncle technically on Amazon, and then I realized I can get it cheaper at my salon because we get a discount. But I think I'm just gonna keep this one for myself. I've had the same wet brush for years. Also, how cute is this candy cane from Italy? It has chocolates inside. It's adorable. I can keep that out. Okay, so the next part of this routine of getting out of a rut is to take care of my skin, pluck my eyebrows, and make myself look human again. I think I'm gonna tint my eyebrows after I pluck them. I ordered a new lash kit. I actually didn't know you can just order like the refills to this Luxe lash kit. So I recently just did that yesterday actually. So hopefully they'll be coming today. By the way, I just had like the weirdest, most random stomach ache. I don't know what it was from. All I had to eat today was eggs and my like fake bacon, which I don't know. I feel like maybe it was bad or something. I don't know. It tasted totally fine. But that's another thing I could think of that would be like not great. I don't know. And then my yogurt. And my yogurt is the Oikos protein yogurt in the mixed berry flavor. And it was fine. Like the date was fine and everything, but my stomach was just hurting so bad. I am going to put some light makeup on also after I pluck my eyebrows and everything because I do want to film a couple of TikToks. Not that I need to have makeup on, but I do really feel a lot better when I do have makeup on. But I'm going to pluck my eyebrows and I'll be back in a few minutes. Have you ever tried just putting on like a cute accessory that you like, that you already feel like immediately better? Because that's how I feel whenever I have a headband on. Just feel immediately like cuter. Also, my tape-ins are so grown out. They have to seriously come out now because this one's literally like hanging by a thread. But I just feel so much cuter right now already. I'm going to take this little dish and I'm going to mix the color base with the color developer. I want to say this is a medium brown. I think the lifting kit honestly might be here today, but I'm going to end up getting it probably tonight and then doing it tomorrow anyway. There's something about just making yourself, I guess, look better, physically, that just makes you feel, I guess, better on the inside, better about yourself, that you don't, you know, you're not actually like a slob. Something about having my eyebrows done, it's like I always just feel good about them, and then having my lashes lifted and tinted, my lashes naturally just go down. And I've said this before and I'll say it again, that I truly just feel more feminine when my lashes are done. I don't know, it just makes me feel better. Also, I got this Your Turn. It's Your Turn Too by Billie Eilish. It smells amazing. Oh, it just smells so good. Now I have the whole set, and actually my fiance and mom both bought me this, so now I have 2 of them. See, now these already look kind of scary, so I'm gonna go like this a little bit and kind of take off. And I don't know why there's stuff right here. I took that off. I'm gonna try to take a little bit off from the front of my eyebrows. I need to also dry my hair. I let it air dry, and yes, I know I'm very lucky for it to air dry like this, but I just need to go over with like a comb a little bit more, and like with a round brush and the dryer, and get it like nice and straight and sleek. Also, my mom bought me this Kerastase set. So grateful for that, because she really didn't need to do that. She uses the oil way more than I do, but it's this elixir oil, BH Magic Night Serum. So these 2 together, I'm gonna do a little bit like that. Actually, that's kind of a lot, but whatever. My hair just gets so oily, so I'm always nervous. But I'm gonna do the serum, and then once I actually blow it out, I'm gonna do the oil. I will be right back. Okay, this looks insane, but I'm gonna take cotton round and mix my micellar water, the dye off my eyebrows, because this is looking scary. I got this vitamin C micellar water from, I believe it was TJ Maxx, and I really like it. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna do some makeup with the powder puff. I don't know if you guys have seen that technique before, but honestly it's easy. It's like blending out with a brush or a sponge. I'm gonna do this ordinary moisturizer because frankly I just have to get rid of it, and then I have another one, but I just want to do this one first just to get it, you know, done. I'm gonna do this Milky Toner by Bioma, and then this moisturizer by The Ordinary, and then sometimes I mix 2 e.l.f. Halo Glows, put the darker one on the perimeter of my face, and then I'll just do the lighter one on the inside, and then I might do like a dot of concealer. And then once my lashes are dry, I'm gonna curl them. A little bit of lip liner. I'm probably not gonna do mascara. Okay, now that the holidays are over, I have something very important to say. I'm ready for Halloween. Who's with me?